Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlọ́ ní.
And good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. And if today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552. You message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to use water, sugar and salt, cooking salt, how to use it to attract favor and blessing into your life. If you are in the middle of wealthy people and they don't recognize you, and you want God to help you so that God will connect you with your destiny helper. So this is what you are going to do, and you are going to do it for 15 days continuously without skipping a day. 15 days continuously without skipping a day. And by the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony after this assignment. Are you with me? So what you need is a glass cup of water, glass cup, transparent glass cup. You understand? This one is too small. Just using this one as an example, right? You need transparent glass cup. So when you wake up in the morning, doesn't matter if you talk with your wife or your husband or your children. So you had water that you can drink at once. Add it in a transparent glass cup. Then the first thing you are going to add to this water, you add a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. You add it to the water, right? Have you seen it? So you need a baby spoon to measure this sugar. A baby spoon is okay. Add it to this water. Then allow it for 5 to 10 minutes. So if you want to bathe, maybe you are going to your working place and you want to take your normal bathing, you can bathe, you understand, use towel to dry your body. Then when you now come back, you now take this water, this glass water, with your right hand. Pray. If you are a Muslim, you can pray. Start with the name of Almighty God before you drink it. If you are a Christian, start with the name of Almighty God. If you don't believe in the two religion, you can say whatever thing you want. You understand? Take the water and you drink. And you must save small from this water. The one you save, you are going to use it to apply, you rub all over your body. Allow it to dry on your body before you now make up. Maybe if you want to apply cream and so on. You understand? So you are going to repeat this process continuously for 15 days. By the grace of Almighty God, if you follow this simple instruction and you apply your faith, because your faith is highly needed, by the grace of Almighty God, you surely share a good testimony. By the grace of Almighty God. That is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you love this video, to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Èyí tí a bá sọ ní òní ni bí a ṣe ń lo omi nínú glass cup. Glass cup la gbọ́dọ̀ lò. A gbọ́dọ̀ lo stainless, a sì gbọ́dọ̀ lo plastic. Glass cup òun la máa lò tó transparent. Torí a fẹ́ jẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run kó fi wá hàn níṣojú olóore wa ni. Àmọ́ ẹlòmíì tán ti gbé pamọ́. Nígbà tó dàgbà tó darúgbó wọ́n ṣe ń gbógo ẹ̀ jáde. Wà nílò ògo yẹn fún bí oṣù bí mélòó tí Ọlọ́run tó fi mọ́ sọ́dọ̀. Ọlọ́run bá tẹ rí oníníkà pé wá ó dá wa lóhùn, àwọn èèyàn bí ń pọ̀ Ọlọ́run dá wọn lóhùn, ìwọ lọ ní sùn. Torí tó bá wò pé Ọlọ́run rí mi, Ọlọ́run rí ẹ o. Wàláhì Ọlọ́run rí ẹ. Ọlọ́run sì báyàn ṣe àwàdà tó bá fẹ́ ni ó tọrọ. Ó ní ẹ béèrè wọn fún yín ni. Ẹ béèrè wọn á fún yín ni. So Ọlọ́run bá kì í báyàn ṣàwàdà o. Kì í ṣe ọba tó lè bá ẹ ṣàwàdà tó bá fẹ́ ni ó tọrọ. So ẹ wá jẹ́ ká wá omi sínú glass cup yìí, èyí tá bá lè mú tán. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi iyọ̀ díẹ̀ sí àti ṣúgà, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi sí ṣúgà bóyá bí ìwọ̀n síbí ọmọ kéèké tó fi ń fún wọn ní oògùn yẹn ká fi sí. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká gbé kalẹ̀ fún bí ìṣẹ́jú 5 sí ìṣẹ́jú 10. Tá bá ti gbé kalẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ a lè lọ wẹ̀ láàárọ̀ yẹn, láàárọ̀ tá bá ti jí ni. Tá bá ti dé, ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́ ọ̀tún gbé ká ṣàdúrà sí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mú ká fi yòókù para, ká wá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ọjọ́ 15 léraléra. Ká wá wo nǹkan t'Ọlọ́run ṣe nínú ìgbésí ayé wa. Ẹ̀yin mi kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ o, wàláhì kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ọlọ́run bá jẹ́ kó bá yín lára mu o. Lágbára Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó bá yín lára mu. Náà ni tí ń tòótọ́ Dr. Mu.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórin bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.